equivalent fraction has to do with how many of a certain fraction equals to another fraction. Example 1. Let's try to solve that. We have 1 over 2 equals dash over 4. Since we know the denominator, the question is how many pieces of 1 over 4 will equate to 1 over 2. So let's try it out. There's a piece of 1 over 4. Write on it. Let's try another one. Another piece of 1 over 4 on it. Yes, so it fits exactly. 2 pieces of 1 over 4 is equal to 1 over 2. That is, 1 over 2 equals to 2 all over 4. Let's try out another example. Let's attempt to solve that. 5 over 15. Let's place all our 5 over 15. That's 5 pieces of 1 over 15. Now, in this case, we're only aware of the numerator. It says 1 over something. We don't know what the thing is. So we'll have to try. We'll have to just try randomly. Let's try 1 over 5. 1 over 5 surely does not fit. Let's try out 1 over 4. Still doesn't fit, but we're getting gradually closer. Let's try out 1 over 3. This fits perfectly. So 1 over 3 is equal to 5 over 15. Okay, why not pause at this stage and try out this third example? Welcome back. 1 over 5. 1 over 5 is equal to 3 over something, 3 pieces of a particular thing. What can that thing be?